So we are almost there. Last 3 startups will be presenting. The next one is Minerva, and our founder is Shree.
Okay, by a show of hands, how many of you here are parents? Okay, let's do a quick pop quiz to see how well you're prepared for what's coming. Do you know the last day of school for your kids? Summer camps are all booked. What about family travel? Hotels, flights, everything done? Do you know what you're going to do when you get to your destination? And after the month you've probably had, you've decided to get a CPA for next year. How's that search going? And what about that overdue doctor's appointment that you need to make a phone call between 9 and 3, but how are you supposed to do that when work has just been so busy? If you're feeling overwhelmed or behind, trust me, you're not alone. Some version of this story has been true for every one of the 100+ families I've talked to in the last year. Hi, I'm Shree, founder of Minerva, an assistant service to reduce the mental load for busy parents. As a technologist and a parent of 2 myself, I realized early on that a task management app or tips on how to get things done is not enough to help overwhelmed parents. Enter Minerva. Each family gets paired with a dedicated assistant who is a stay-at-home parent. So they immediately share a lot of context with you, understand your community and your family's specific needs. But at our core is a technology platform with a deep understanding of all common parenting workflows that augments the abilities of our assistants. Our AI-driven backend does the heavy lifting of sorting through vast databases, vetting options, and surfacing the best answer for the task at hand. Over time, as your Minerva assistant understands your preferences, our predictive recommendation engine proactively anticipates your family's future needs. So this means tasks like booking your annual physical, scheduling recurring home maintenance tasks, or even planning special occasions can be initiated and managed well before they become stressful reminders in your already overwhelming schedule. For just a little more than the cost of ChatGPT Operator, Minerva not only does everything ChatGPT can, but we also take on the truly burdensome tasks, like filling forms, making phone calls, vetting babysitter candidates, and managing all of the back and forth that comes with scheduling. Using the hybrid model of AI plus human in the loop, Minerva saves families anywhere from 12 to 20 hours a month. We prevent fire drills, and we let the families meet their life stretch goals, be it getting a pet, finally picking up that new hobby, or throwing a stellar birthday party for your child. We worked with about 70 paying families till now and are poised to take on many more this year. Our mission at Minerva is clear. We want to use technology to reduce the mental load for parents and give them time back to spend with their family, shine at work, or simply relax. Thank you.
How do you pay the human in it that's in the loop? Are they paid by the hour, or do they have some other model?
Yeah, no, they're paid by the hour. We are also actually experimenting a per customer type of a payment model, because we see that not everyone is the same level of efficiencies. But all of these people are actually stay-at-home parents, and they're not doing this because of money. They love the fulfillment that comes from helping another family as well as working with a team. And so it's actually been a great experience.
Thank you, Shree.